Here are two pieces of news about Bitcoin from the crypto industry. First news. Has the Bitcoin bull market ended? The current price dynamics of digital assets raise questions about the sustainability of the Bitcoin and altcoin bull market. Analysts and industry experts offer different views on the future of cryptocurrencies, considering market trends, macroeconomic factors, and investor behavior. Bitcoin investor Murad Mammadov highlighted two possible scenarios for BTC's future. He suggested that if the price stays above $60,000, the bull market could continue, following the typical 4-year cycle. However, depending on macroeconomic conditions, a global recession could lower the value of the main cryptocurrency to $30,000. Julio Moreno, head of research at CryptoQuant, pointed to a high probability of Bitcoin reaching $60,000. He said BTC is at a critical level, around the realized price of short-term holders at $62,800. This indicator could either support the price or lead to an 8% correction. Experienced trader Peter Brandt believes that breaking the $60,000 support level could lead to a further decline to $48,000. Meanwhile, analyst Bob Lucas expressed a more moderate position, predicting a consolidation period similar to last summer's. He emphasizes the possibility of a pattern repeat, suggesting patience may be required while the market stabilizes. Last summer's consolidation visualized this summer. I'm not saying it will repeat, but it's a reminder of the possible and the patience that may be needed, said Lucas. Will Clementi, co-founder of Reflexivity Research, also expects a consolidation phase. He adjusted his investment strategy, keeping only core assets, BTC and a few other positions. Clementi believes Bitcoin could show growth in the fourth quarter, but it will depend on economic data and the Federal Reserve's actions. Regarding altcoins, Andrew Kong, co-founder of Mechanism Capital, expressed caution. He is unsure whether the momentum created by the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs will spread to altcoins, especially Ethereum. Sentiment analysts noted a rise in panic among investors as BTC's price fell to $65,000. Continued selling could lead to a temporary rebound and a buying opportunity. Surges in mentions of selling or taking profits often occur after a drop, and a temporary rebound and buying opportunity may form if we see continued fear and panic among small traders, explained Sentiment. The future of the Bitcoin and altcoin bull market remains uncertain. The direction of digital assets will largely depend on macroeconomic factors and changes in investor sentiment. Second news. Bitcoin price will rise to $500,000 by the end of the decade. Analysts at Bernstein, Gautam Chugani and Mahika Sapra, stated that Bitcoin is set to skyrocket by 659% from Friday afternoon levels and reach $500,000 by 2029. The reason for the massive price increase is the growing demand for Bitcoin ETFs, which have attracted assets worth tens of billions of dollars since their launch earlier this year. This rapid demand, combined with the ever-decreasing supply of Bitcoin, creates a sustainable supply-demand dynamic that should lead to further price increases for the cryptocurrency. This is driven by unprecedented demand for Bitcoin through ETFs and limited Bitcoin supply, said Bernstein. Chugani and Sapra stated that their base forecast for Bitcoin's price is $200,000 by 2025, $500,000 by 2029, and $1 million by 2033. Previously, analysts expected Bitcoin to peak at $150,000 in 2025, but they raised their estimates due to strong ETF inflows. The firm's forecast was part of a note initiating coverage of MicroStrategy, which, according to Bernstein, is creating the largest Bitcoin company in the world. MicroStrategy has accumulated 1.1% of the total Bitcoin supply, amounting to about $14.5 billion. Meanwhile, the overall market valuation of MicroStrategy is $26 billion. Bernstein argues that MicroStrategy deserves a premium valuation as it offers investors an active leveraged use strategy compared to passive Bitcoin ETFs.